everybody, and welcome to my not Walmart haul. I am still bringing you guys a video of breakdowns and everything, but I'm not going to Walmart today, and there's a couple reasons why. The first reason is I had an altercation with them last week, so I'm kind of ticked off, and I'll go through that with you guys in just a second. Second of all, it's almost 70 degrees here in Wisconsin. This is the very first day we've actually had nice weather, and the sun is out, so I am gonna just take a nap for a little bit after I finish this video and then take Ben to the park and play with his friends. So I just want to enjoy it. And the third item thing is a lot of these are all just a lot of the same repeats. And a lot of you guys were wondering. Now, when I did the video on Monday last week, my Ibotta app didn't have any levels. It said that I don't have any levels. And then, so I had I think I did 8 rebates or something last week. And then the next day, before I went to bed, because they weren't there that morning, but when I went to bed that Tuesday night, my levels popped up. But the only thing is, I did about 8 rebates, and none of them showed up as the rebates that I already did. It said that I have 0 out of 15 to get 50 cents, and I'm just like, well, that's dumb. So check yours and see if you guys have levels. Like I said, Monday did not have any levels. Tuesday morning did not have any levels, but Tuesday night I did. So I think this month is going to be kind of a slower month for Ibotta and kind of couponing. But March was the best. March was probably by far the best. But I highly still recommend Ibotta. Ibotta is an awesome app. All you guys do is you just buy certain things that they have, and one thing I do like is you guys can actually buy the item and then you look at your app and be like, oh yeah, I did get that. Then you guys can submit your receipt within I think it's 7 days you have to submit your receipt. So that's one thing I do like about Ibotta better than some of the other apps. But if you guys click my referral link, you guys can get $10 once you redeem your first rebate, and then you guys can also be on my team. Now, if you guys have a Ibotta already and you're struggling with finishing levels, you finish the rebates but you have to finish the money amount, you can be on my team. Now, I do have a referral, or I do have a Facebook friend request. Now, there's Deals by DesignerJen. That's just me posting certain things, if I see a deal for you guys or coupons to print that I just give you guys an idea. You guys can like that. And then right below it, there is Be My Friend on Facebook for Ibotta only. Now, I am kind of picky on who I am friends with. Most of you guys I will accept, but I do get some random people who live on the other side of the world. Nothing wrong with that, but obviously Ibotta's for the US, and I get a lot of weirdos and people who just started their profiles. So I do check out certain people's profiles, and I will deny you. And if you guys do see I denied you, please let me know and I'll friend request you, or you can just send me another friend request. But I'm just trying to, keep up like that. So last week I had a problem. I went to Walmart and I had 3 buy one get one free coupons that I printed from coupons.com. 2 of them, sorry, we have the window open and there's an airplane flying right by. But I had 2 of them for the Clairol, and it was buy one get one free. And then I had one that said it was for red vines, and the cashier, she kind of looks at it and she automatically just pushes that button on the cash register to call a CSM. And I used to work at Walmart when I was in high school, or when I was a freshman in college. I worked at Walmart. I worked at Walmart for a year and a half. And what happens is, the CSM comes up here and she looks at the coupons and she reads them, and she takes them with her and walks away. And then she comes back and she's like, oh, I can't accept these. And I'm like, why? She's like, we just don't accept these. And I'm the type of person where I don't like causing a rut or anything. I work retail. I know exactly how it is. And I used to work at Walmart, and I don't know. Walmart's just kind of been making me mad lately. A lot of you guys refuse to shop at Walmart. But anyways, so I did not want to start a fight or complain or anything, and I'm like, that's fine. I'll give me the coupons back. I just don't want the products. Well, they had $3 off Peely coupons on the products, and the cashier's like, well, you could do this deal. I says, no, it's not worth it, because the buy one get one free deal is actually a cheaper deal than doing the $3 Peelys. Plus, they limit those coupons too. And so I kind of, when I was walking out of the store, I looked at the service desk to see if I could see a manager or somebody else, but it was the same CSM. Now, I've had problems with this girl. I'm not saying anything bad about her. I don't have a problem with her, but she gets this like attitude where she thinks she's like a manager. And yes, they are like the manager of the cashiers, but she's not like a full hardcore manager. But she's always being called, you know, when I have problems at the registers. And a lot of people, you know, I'm pretty good with, but this one she just has this like she's judging me. So then I was like looking to see if I could see a store manager around, you know, and nothing. So I'm like, whatever. So as I was leaving the store, I checked my phone and I'm like, I'm going to check the policy. Well, the policy says that they do take printable buy one, get one free coupons. So right then and there, I messaged Walmart on Facebook and I said, hey, why am I getting denied this coupon? They finally responded at like 11 o'clock at night that night saying that they sent a message to the store manager to have them give me a call. Now, this was Monday night. I did not get a phone call back from the store manager until Friday afternoon. And I screened all my phone calls and he left me a message. So then I called him back and I says, hey, I'm calling you back. What's going on? And he's like, yeah, I just want to know like what happened. And I explained to him the whole story. So then he puts me on hold and I'm on hold for like 3 or 4 minutes. And I'm like, what the heck? You know, are they watching the cameras or something? So then he comes back and he says, yeah, he talked to the girl that I talked to. And he said he told me that I was using fraudulent coupons. I says, no, that's not it. He's like, well, each of those coupons are supposed to have a different barcode. I says, yes, that's true. I says, I know how to print coupons from coupons.com. I says, I teach people how to use coupons properly. And I says, it's not the same barcode. I says, the barcode on the bottom can always be the same. I says, it's the top right corner that has a different like QR code or whatever that code is. Those have to be different numbers. And he's like, yes. And I says, well, she never told me that I was supposedly using fraudulent coupons. She never mentioned that. She just said, we don't accept these coupons, you know. And he's like, well, I apologize. And I says, well, he's like, you can come into the store and you can show me these coupons. I says, it's not worth it. I says, it's not worth me driving to Walmart just to show you guys a coupon that I got denied for. He's like, well, I'll be gladly to help you. If you have any other problems, you know, let me know. And I was civil. I'm not having a fit. I'm just like, you know, okay, I understand. But I was just kind of ticked off, and you know, my husband's like, well, what are they doing for you? What are they going to do for you? And I says, I wasn't expecting anything out of this. I'm not one of those people who, you know, oh my God, they didn't do anything, they owe me something. No, I'm not like that. I'm a very civil person because I work retail. I know exactly how it is. But I was just kind of ticked off how she never even explained that to me. But the thing is, I do work retail, and when we have problems with people, most likely behind the customer's back, the store will take the employee's back over the customers. So he's like, well, anytime you have a problem, you come find me. And it's like, I kind of want to just shove this coupon up their butt and prove them that I know what I'm doing. I'm not like some people who ruin the system. But I don't know. That's just my little rant. Not to try to make it long, but I'm just kind of ticked off about that whole situation. But it wasn't worth it. He's like, you can come back and try using it again. I says, no, not worth it. You know, I'm not wasting my time just to prove a point to you guys when I know I was right. But, so there was that. But what I'm going to do today is just show you guys some breakdowns. Like I said, a lot of these are kind of the same breakdowns as before. There's a couple other deals that I'm going to share with you guys. But what I'm going to still do is I'll still write down the breakdowns for you. And then if I still have pictures of the deal, I will post it. If I don't, I'll just write down the deal. But I just, like I said, I just don't feel like going to Walmart today. Just because of that whole situation. And that I'm just kind of just gonna blow some steam and enjoy the nice weather. So, but the first thing that I want to share with you guys is Aleve, you know, the not Tylenol, but the Aleve headache reliever things. There's a 24 pack that is on at Walmart for $3.76. There is a $3 off printable coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. Final price makes it 76 cents, and I will insert the breakdowns for you guys so you guys can screenshot it or whatever you guys need to do. They have Airwick refills. Now they have the Airwick with the whole box. They have refills, and then they have a double refill. This is a single refill. Those are $4.88. There is a $2 off coupon that you guys can actually print off of airwick.com. making it $2.88. You guys will get $2 back with Ibotta, making it just 88 cents. So if you guys are interested in that. Now these are the deals that I kind of done in the past over the last couple weeks. Now a lot of these you can only do up to 5 times if it does reset. So some of the deals that you guys might see in your Ibotta that I don't do is because I've already done them multiple times. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But right guard, $1.97. It's just a regular sport. I don't think I have it. Yeah, I do. The right guard sport is $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can get a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. Now, one thing I do want to let you guys know is make sure you scan those items while you're at the store. I've learned my lesson many times where I grab it and I scan it and it says it doesn't work. And sometimes you can like fight Ibotta on that and they'll give you the money, but I just sometimes just don't feel like doing that. Orange Crush I ended up getting. We drank all that, so I don't have that. But my bottles were $1.25 at my store. You guys would pay $1.25, but there is a rebate for 25 cents, making it $1. I think that's a pretty good deal. I think all bottles should be like $1. That's what it was like back in the day. So, you know, pop just keeps going up, or soda keeps going up. They do have ginger ale, and it's the Schweppes brand, or Schweppy. I don't know. I think it's Schweppes, but since I've talked to Gina, it might be Schweppy. I don't know, but that's also $1.25, and there's a 50-cent rebate for that one, making it 75 cents. So it's a better deal if you guys are interested in that. Now, the clear out deal, there are $5 off coupons out there. My store had Peelies like crazy on it, and I've seen other people have Peelies, but I still wanted to do the buy one get one free coupon. So $6.92. Now though, there's the clear out root touch up and there's the clear out naturals. I do not have any around here to show you guys, but I will insert the pictures with the coupon. You guys would use that buy one get one free coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $6.92 for it. But then you guys can submit a 5 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.92 or just 96 cents a piece. And I think that's a great price if you guys are interested in hair dye. I have hair dye like up the wazoo. And not many people like using hair dye. I do it because I'm just cheap. But there's some people who like getting the hair done, you know, and don't like using hair dye in boxes. Everybody's up to their own thing. I used to get my hair dyed professionally, but now I'm just like, I'm cheap, I'm frugal. That's the way to be. The guy got to be shampoo. Now, I'm not sure if they changed it or not, but what I got is exactly what was in the picture when I was there last week. I scanned it. It said it did not work. Some of you guys said you did submit it. So I think if you go back to the store now, they hopefully should have updated their system. But there is a $2, it's $4.97. There's a $2 off coupon on coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $2.97, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 97 cents. Sorry, I have like something in my throat. It's driving me nuts. The Cascade dishwasher detergent. Now, I did this deal last week at Target because it was a good deal, so thank you guys for mentioning it. And I'm like, I love stocking up on dishwasher detergent, but the Cascade dishwasher detergent is an okay deal. Like I said, I just like stocking up on it, and now I actually have enough to last me a while because I've been stocking up on it like crazy. But this was $5.97. You guys would pay $5.97. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it $3.97. So it's not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys really need some stuff that it's hard to get coupons for, and you can still get some good deals, I say go for that with that. Okay, the next deal I was going to do last week, and I searched my store high and low for them, is the Black Forest gummies. Now, your stores might have them. The best place to look for them is around the registers, but they have a smaller bag of the Black Forest gummies for $1. So what you guys want to do is you want to buy 2 of them. You guys would pay $2 for them, but then there is a rebate where you get $1 off of 2 on Ibotta, making them just $1.50 a piece. So I really wanted to do that deal, but my store did not have them. They probably do. They're just in a weird spot that I could not find. The Listerine flosser, I still have yet to try that, but I've wanted to try it. That was $1.97. There is a coupon that you guys can print from Listerine.com. You guys would end up paying $1.22 for that thing, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 22 cents for that if you guys are interested in that deal. And then they have the Pringle. Ben, you can just leave that open. You can leave it open.
Why?
Because it gets some warm air in here. Is that okay? And then there's Pringles, the Wave brand. Right in front of my face. These Pringles, these are $1.44. You guys would end up paying $1.44 for this, but then you guys can submit a 35-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this $1.09. So it's not the greatest deal, but hey, I still like getting deals. I still just like getting levels, you know, extra free money on stuff that I usually may or may not buy on Ibotta. Benjamin, shut the screen so Paris doesn't get out. But yeah, so I'm not going to say that was my haul, but that's going to be my breakdown. If you guys kind of like stuff like this, I mean, there's going to be days where I just don't want to go anywhere, especially having a newborn baby or the weather. I mean, it's summer, I should have it. But if there's days like, if you guys like something like this where I don't want to go out couponing, but you still want me to do breakdowns for you, especially like Walmart and Target, I definitely will do that. I want to still share with you guys as many deals as possible, because you guys just take, you know, pause it and break stuff down. Just hold on, honey. But other than that, that was my little rant that I did and a couple breakdowns. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all another time for another Walmart haul. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.